Okay, right now in question say this, that in the diagram below, A, B, and F lie on the circle. The equation of line EA is 3y minus 2x equals to 8, and then the gradient of line AF is -1. Now let's just have that equation of EA is just y equals to something there. Now to do that, you're gonna basically say 3y equals to 2x plus 8. Then you're gonna divide both sides basically by 3, dividing by 3. So that equation is going to be basically be 2 over 3x plus 8 over 3. So that is actually the equation of EA, right? Now for us to find the size of EAF, we're going to need to find the angle of E there and the angle of F there. Now to find those angles is going to be actually using 10. So we're going to use the 10 of a gradient. It means that to find angle AEF, it's going to be 10 of angle AEF, right? Which is basically going to be the 10 of um which gradient? The gradient of line EA, right? The gradient of line EA, right? Now to find that angle basically, so we're going to say 10 of AEF. Remember that gradient of line E, it's going to be 2 over 3. And then to find angle AEF, it's going to be shift of 10, 2 over 3. And then if you take out your calculator, so if you say shift of 10, 2 over 3, so far you get an answer which is going to be 33 point 33 point I'm just gonna round off to one decimal place. So I'm gonna say 33.7 degrees. All right, and then using a different color to find the angle AFE, I'm gonna still say 10 of angle AFE, which is gonna be the gradient of line AF, right? And then I'm gonna say 10 AFE. Right, we are told that the gradient of line AF is actually -1. Then I'm gonna say AFE, right? It's basically shift of -1. I'm gonna say shift of -1. No, I don't have to say shift of -1 because it's gonna give me a negative answer. Because if you say shift of -1, can you see that it actually gives you a negative answer, which is a negative 45 degrees? So instead of taking the negative 45 degrees, just take 45 degrees. So in this kind of a case, we're gonna just not put the -1 there for now, because basically that answer there is gonna be negative. But it's up to you. We can say shift of you can just say shift of -1, right, which is going to basically give you, so you can say shift of -1, which is basically going to give you minus 45 degrees. But can you see that we're actually working in the first quadrant, which all answers are positive? So we can now say therefore AFE is basically 45 degrees, because in the first quadrant all the angles are all positive. We don't have any negative angles, and whenever we do work with angles or of a Cartesian plane, we never use negative angles. We're gonna have to take the positive answer. So you can say shift of that -1, but whenever you're gonna have to do to find that angle over there, it's always advised than to say, rather than saying shift of that negative answer, just say shift of that value there. So let's just say we're given -1/2. You could have just said shift of 10/2 rather than saying shift of -1/2. All right. So you could have just said shift of a half and then you could have gotten your answer, which is 45 degrees. So now so far we know that angle, that one there is 33.7 degrees, and then we also found that one there is to be 45 degrees. Now to find angle, so we're gonna now say in triangle EAF, right? Angle EAF, right, is gonna be 180 degrees minus AEF minus AFE, right? And the reason for that is going to be interior angles of a triangle. All right, then we're going to say 180 minus AEF is 33.7 degrees minus 45 degrees. And then if you quickly put that in your calculator, or if you can do it with your head, your answer is supposed to be 101.3 degrees. And then yes, these are the two answers that you this is the answer I meant to say that you are supposed to find for the angle of EAF. All right, I'm hoping that is clear and understandable to you.